Feeling stressed, distracted, or mentally drained? You're not alone. But what if I told you that just 7 minutes a day could help clear your mind and actually rewire your brain without any pills or apps? Our lives are noisy and non-stop. Between work, phones, and responsibilities, our brains rarely get a break. But research shows that regular yoga, even just a few minutes, can reduce stress, improve focus, and literally change how your brain functions. More calm, better mood, sharper thinking. Here's the routine. 1 minute of deep breathing, slow inhale, even slower exhale. Then move for 4 minutes with easy poses like cat-cow, downward dog, and child's pose. You don't have to be flexible, just move gently. Finally, sit or lie down for 2 minutes, breathe, let your thoughts settle. That's it. No fancy gear, no gym, just your body and breath, working together to bring balance back. Do this every morning for a week. You'll feel the difference. More clarity, less tension, a calmer you. Your brain will thank you. Hit like if this helped and subscribe for more real, practical health habits.